Hey everybody, we are coming to you from sunny Southern California at the Newport Beach International Boat Show for 2025. Today we are on Travis Cook's new Lagoon 46 sailing catamaran. We're just really excited to check out this new Lagoon 46. We'll show you guys what it's like and give you a full demo of the boat.